best. Fuck off.
We love you!
There's so many things I wish I could say to you, and I don't know if you understand fully and who would blame you, but to be an old band, to be around for 30 years, and I might start crying, so you've got to be like, I'm a fucking mess, but to come to London and play here for 30 years has been the most profound privilege of our career. And to still be around, thanks to fucking weirdos like you lot, like fans that come from all over the world to love on us and support us, is not something we take for granted, and it's something that we understand has kept us around for 1 billion years, and that for some inexplicable reason, all the youngins seem to like be kind to us and are supportive to us. And it's really weird, and I don't know, I'm speaking too much and I'm not even sure what I'm trying to say, but the last few years have been quite challenging in a billion different ways, but I lost my beloved father in October of last year, and it fucking fucked me up so hard. I don't even really have words for it. And normally my dad would be here tonight. He's come to every single fucking London show I have ever played, and it's not just with Garbage, but with Goodbye Mr. Mackenzie. So I'm really aware of like my dad not being here tonight. But the fact that you have all been here and been so kind and so loving, and the fact that you are willing to come out and like donate to Teenage Cancer Trust is so moving to all of us here in Garbage at a time when it seems like kindness is so thin on the ground. So tonight feels like magic. It feels like fucking magic, and it's the kind of world I want to live in. So I want to thank each and every one of you for coming out tonight. It's a long show, and we're really grateful to you all. Each and every one of you here is fucking spending your fucking hard-earned money on us, and on Placebo, and on Teenage Cancer Trust. Thank you so much. We love you so much. We're so grateful. It's been an honor to play for you. We're going to finish with one song. I have no voice left, so you motherfuckers better fucking start singing! I'm only happy when misery down on me. Pull your misery down on me. Pull your misery down on me. I'm only happy when it rains. 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 Your misery down.